Let me show you how to bend an object in Photopea. So I have this coconut tree. I want to bend the tree. Let me show you how to do it. You go to Edit, Puppet Warp, this one. You will see this mesh. Then you just click where you want to put some anchor points. I'm putting them here so that this part and the middle part will not move. I want to move only the top part with me. Now pull from where you want to move it. See, like this, and you can even put more points. Like for example, I've moved it here, and then I want to put an anchor point here. I want to move this part, so this will act as an anchor point. This one will move. So you shape it in the way that you want it. Once you're done, click on the check mark. Your object has been moved, and that's it. And there are some options here that I didn't show. Let me show them now. So mode, always keep it normal. Density, if you want more details to play around with, click large, less, medium, less, small. Expand, usually it's 2 to 5. You want to show the mesh or not, and that's it. That's how you use the puppet warp to bend an object in Photopea. And if you need any more tips and tricks on how to use Photopea, please grab my free guide, which is in the description below. Otherwise, if you want more videos about Photopea and editing through it, click the video that's showing on the screen right now, or check out my channel for similar videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.